When it comes to vinyl siding, nothing on the outside of your home is maintenance free. There are things you need to do. I know on a lot of homes, that north facing side, it'll get that mildewy or mold growth on the outside. Something every couple of years I know on my home that I have to get cleaned off. One thing I would warn you is never pressure wash your vinyl siding. Could easily be damaged. Either a company that does a soft wash, or you can go to a big box store and they have products that you can use to spray on there and get that off. You can also use a soft bristled brush. You want to avoid any hard chemicals. Another big one is never paint your vinyl siding. After you paint vinyl siding, it will instantly start warping due to the sun. And then the last big one that we see a lot is keep the grill away, far enough away from your vinyl siding, because it will melt that siding.